When the Amber Alert was issued, the mother did turn herself into police. Now, she was released with conditions, and the custody of the child went back to the father. Well, now we know the conditions of the mother's release. She cannot have contact with the father or the child, as she is set to appear in court again over the summer. Now, in May, the parents will appear again in court for what's called a triage conference, where a judge will look at all the issues and try to resolve them in a cooperative way. Now, today, the parents were in court for an emergent hearing, which allows a party to have the court hear their matter urgently. Now, emergent hearings don't usually happen before these triage hearings unless it involves an immediate risk to a party or child, the removal of a child from Manitoba, or the loss or destruction of property. Now, in order to hear the matter, the court must agree that the request fits into one of these categories. In this case, the judge does believe that there is a risk to the child. The hearing today was to determine if the father of the child would have sole custody until the hearing in May. Now, the father was seeking an order for sole custody as there was no legal protections should the mother try to take the child again. Now, the mother's lawyer argued that because of the conditions of her release, and she can't see the father or the child anyway, so this was not necessary. However, the judge says there is a risk, and an interim order for sole custody by the father was granted, and the order will be reviewed at the next hearing in May. Gerald Stranger, APTN National News, Winnipeg.